Hello everyone, I'm Adam Rubiks. So this video is about the Indian Cubing Nationals 2018, and this time it's going to be held at IIT Bombay, and the date is May 25 to May 27. So it's a huge competition, and there are around 400 competitors who have registered for the competition. And the sponsor is Cubelelo and Chi Puzzles. There are 18 events this time, and so one of my fellow cubers going to internationals this year, and let's see what he has to say about the internationals.
Hey guys, I am Cuber, a YouTube cuber, and I am going to share my thoughts on topic Indian Nationals 2018. Definitely Nationals is going to be an amazing and outstanding competition, and this is the biggest one of the most biggest competition in India. Almost 300 competitors are coming to compete with me, and the winner will be the best among the best speed cubers in India. So this is gonna be a really amazing competition with an amazing experience, with a great venue of IIT Bombay. This shall be a great experience, and as this gonna be my first competition, so I will give my best. There will be many amazing speed cubers, but I think Arnav Arora can win this competition, as he is in the top at most of the events in the competitors list. So I think he can win the competition because of his amazing speed cubing skills and speed. And many of my friends like Ram the Cuber, Zebas Cubers, and Faisal, etc. are coming to nationals. So this will be a great experience, and this will be the place where you can see breaking records, and it will be nice to see the national record. Hope I can see the new national record in a national level competition. So if you guys are coming, see you guys there. Okay, bye.